Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for all What Women Want episodes and click the bell icon to receive all updates.
ट्रूथ टाइम वो क्या चीज़ है जो आप कभी अकेले नहीं कर पाते? इज इट अकेले खाना खाना, थिएटर में अकेले पिक्चर देखना, या फिर ट्रैवलिंग सोलो? जो भी आपका जवाब हो, इन सब के बारे में तो हम फिर भी बात कर लेते हैं. बट देयर इज वन अदर टाइप ऑफ सिंगलहुड वी ऑफन फॉरगेट.
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla What Women Want, co-powered by Jenny Chai.
आज हम बात करने वाले हैं विद वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट को-स्टार्स तुषार कपूर अबाउट सिंगल पेरेंटिंग. प्लीज वेलकम टू द शो द समटाइम्स गोलमाल बट ऑलवेज कमाल तुषार कपूर. Tushar,
Hi.
thank you so much for coming
My pleasure.
on my first ever radio show. I think it's so special to have you because not only are you a friend, but I think we have a deep connect. Our families have a deep connect.
Yes, absolutely. Actually, our kids are fourth generation friends. Our daddies were friends.
Oh,
our
God.
dads were friends. We have been friends and now our kids.
Exactly. So thanks Tushar for joining us to share your Dabur Amla story of strength with us today. सबसे पहले तो मुझे और हमारे सारे listeners को बताओ that what was that one day when you finally decided that you know this is it, I want to be a single parent.
I won't be able to say it was one day. मुझे लगा कि जब मैं I think 35 का हो गया था जब मैं तो पेरेंटिंग की जो इंस्टिंक्ट्स होती है, पैटर्नल इंस्टिंक्ट जो होती है, वो उभर के आने लगी थी विद पेट्स एंड यू नो विद माय पपी एट होम. तो आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि शादी करने के लिए ज़िंदगी भर वेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक फादर बनने के लिए यू कांट वेट ऑल योर लाइफ.
Yeah.
सो आई वाज गेटिंग अ लिटिल नर्वस कि माय एनर्जी इज़ हाई राइट नाउ एंड आई कैन हैव अ चाइल्ड. 15-20 साल बाद जब मैं 50 का हो जाऊंगा तो यू नो आई वोंट बी एबल टू प्ले विद माय चाइल्ड द वे आई कैन नाउ. सो आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस फास्ट. सो आई वाज क्वाइट एक्साइटेड, बट देन द nervousness kicks in, so it took me a month or 2 months to actually start the process.
But you know, how come you never ever thought of adopting? आपने कैसे decide किया that you know this is it, मुझे surrogacy ही करना है?
मुझे अपना बच्चा चाहिए था, and maybe I will adopt in the future. We never know. There's never, you never say never to anything. But
you wanted that
yes.
sense of belonging.
Absolutely. If people who get married and if people who have the typical stereotypical families, if they would like to have their own kids, why can't I, you know, as a single parent?
Yes.
पता नहीं क्यों ये होता है कि अगर आप सिंगल हो और अगर आप अपना बच्चा चाहते हो तो लोग बोलते हैं कि आप अडॉप्ट क्यों नहीं कर लेते. अरे लग पूरी दुनिया मतलब खुद के बच्चे पैदा कर रही है, हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, you know?
Absolutely, that's such a lovely thing. But single parenting, it like you said, it's exhausting. It's a mammoth kind of task.
Yes.
But कभी second guess किया खुद को?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि मतलब कि नर्वसनेस, जैसे मैंने कहा, कुछ स्लीपलेस नाइट्स तो थे ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ द होल brouhaha that happens in our country with anything and everything, and there's an opinion about anything and everything. So that was making me a bit nervous, but the most pleasant and surprising part of this whole process was that मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे मतलब सपोर्ट में थे. जब मैंने पहली बार एक्चुअली 6-8 महीने बाद, you know, after starting the IVF process, after the IVF was successful, after the surrogacy began, then after that, after a few months when the tests were all okay, then I told my mother. Yeah, I was very sure, you know how I am.
Really? Yeah, you. I know, of course.
I don't even tell them which movie I've signed. They're like, why you don't tell us? I said, no, I don't want to tell
But
you.
yeah, you are like that. You've always been like that, and they were very supportive.
They were, mom said that it's your decision, but are you ready? Agar aap ready hain, then we are ready. It doesn't matter to us. But she did mention to me once ki, you know, I can only be a grandparent. I can't be a parent with thinking that you're going to, you know, like leave it all to me.
Yeah.
Mom will take care. That's not going to happen.
Yeah,
So I was ready I was prepared to shoulder the responsibility. And then she told me, I said, you tell him, I won't tell him. Because he's very...
Yeah, and also that relationship then, you know, is different with your mom, I think, and with, you know, your dad. It's
absolutely,
like...
and he's that quintessential Indian guy, you know, he's very traditional, very bit conservative, but he's liberal also in the sense, and he was okay with it. ठीक है ना, अच्छा है ना, शादी करके divorce होने से better तो यही है, you know.
Amazing.
So he was quite cool about it,
Yeah.
And
that was brilliant, I think.
And then I think before Laksh was born, a month before Laksh was born, I told my sister. Finally, I told her. Before my mom was like hopping mad, like, tell your sister, she's the sister.
How can you not? But she didn't feel bad that you didn't tell her and like...
No, she was okay about it. She knew that she's the third person I'm saying it to. And
okay.
Yeah.
Now, तुषार, कोई एक इंसिडेंट या स्टोरी बताओ जब तुम्हें लगा कि yes, I made the right choice by, you know, bringing Laksh into my life.
There were a few, not too many, but sleepless nights ki, have I done the right thing? What is going to be the reaction इंडिया में हूँ, क्या मतलब बवाल होते हैं ना, बवाल कहते हैं ना,
Yeah,
बवाल
yeah.
खड़ा हो जाएगा, क्या होगा, मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री से हूँ और ऊपर से मतलब
But I think everybody really supported you.
बट
Yeah.
व्हेन लक्ष्य केम होम, जो रिएक्शंस थे, जो मतलब पॉजिटिविटी थी, मैंने अनाउंस्ड हिम, एक्चुअली ही केम होम, उसके बाद मैंने थोड़े दिन मतलब प्लान किया कि मैं कैसे अनाउंस करूँगा, आई हैड टू अनाउंस इट, क्योंकि स्पेकुलेशन बहुत होती है कि
Yeah.
अकेले कैसे बच्चा हो गया, ये वो. So when I announced him, then there was a lot of positivity, there was a lot of media support, lot of industry support. My parents, friends from all over the world
Yeah.
congratulated them. And there were a very few section of people, I would say 1%, who were actually very close to us, and they were
Yeah.
just very, very cold about it. I don't know why. Sometimes your closest people can shock you.
Yeah,
you know that?
absolutely. That always happens.
But I think that's also, I think that's resentment. That's not really, they're not really old school or very traditional. They just not happy for you, I guess. Sometimes that happens. But ठीक है, मतलब एक नज़र बटू चाहिए होता है जब इतनी अच्छी चीज़ आती है.
Yeah.
You need that one little.
that one moment that actually when you saw Laksh and you were like, no, this is it. I'm
No,
the
actually when
happiest
the
man.
I'll be very honest, when the pictures came from the hospital, तो बच्चे जब पैदा होते तो अलग ही लगते, तो मुझे थोड़ा शौक लगा कि ये क्या हो गया, you know, what have I done, is this the right thing, this baby is looking very different. And then my mom told me they all look like that for a few days, you know, because they look red, they look, I think, very pale, and they look red.
Yeah,
and
it takes that time. In fact, I think every month, every week, the features keep changing.
But once he came into my arms and I put him in the cot, and I woke up that morning, I think I slept for 3-4 hours only. I think he came at 6 in the morning, and then I think I went back to sleep. 2 घंटे बाद मैं वापस उठा. From then on, it's been Disneyland.
So single parenting abhi bhi ek taboo hai, you know, whether it's men or women. So obviously there are, like you said earlier, you mentioned that there's a lot of societal judgments. People are constantly commenting on things. And now in this whole digital age where people can just, you know, write whatever they feel like. How are you dealing with all this?
Fortunately, मतलब from the time I announced his arrival, trolling इतनी हुई नहीं, and which is very surprising. आजकल आपको Nobel Prize ही मिल जाए तो मतलब trolling हो जाती है.
Yeah.
That's the nature of social media.
Yeah.
But ज़्यादा मैंने face किया नहीं है, fortunately. And कुछ ऐसे मतलब I think out of 100 tweets or 100 answers to a picture, there'll be one person saying उसको बच्चे को माँ की ज़रूरत होती है. I'm like, yeah, whatever, ठीक है, yeah, you're blocked basically.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
no negativity.
No negativity, and I think every child, हर बच्चे को time, affection, love की ज़रूरत होती है. And कभी-कभी I think sometimes parents जब साथ रहते हैं और ज़्यादा झगड़ा करते हैं, though he has a mom and a dad both, he's not going to grow up normally. कभी-कभी पेरेंट्स जब सेपरेटेड होते हैं, दे डू अ बेटर जॉब, एंड द चाइल्ड इज क्लियर, द चाइल्ड नोज कि दिस इज द सिचुएशन एंड इट्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मल टिपिकल फैमिली, बट बोथ माई पेरेंट्स लव मी एंड आई एम फाइन rather than them constantly being at each other.
Absolutely.
So there's no such thing as a normal parenting family,
process.
of a like a typical stereotype which really makes everything perfect. There's no such thing as a perfect family. There's no such thing as a normal family. It's as normal as you can make it for your child.
What is normal? Nobody knows what is normal
Absolutely,
parenting.
yeah.
We don't. We have to experience. It's all of our experience. So obviously, जाते मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि what is it that you have decided that you will tell Laksh when he grows up and obviously asks you this question, which, like you said, it's normal.
अभी तक तो उसने कुछ पूछा नहीं है. वो मतलब स्कूल जाता भी है तो सबके पेरेंट्स दोनों मॉम एंड डैड होते हैं और उसके लिए वो बहुत नॉर्मल है. उसने कभी ऐसा पूछा नहीं कि वेयर इज़ माई मॉम. एंड वो बुक्स भी हम पढ़ते हैं तो वो बोलता है कि दिस इज़ so and so, if this is some other child's name, he takes his daddy and his mommy, and he understands that is part of it,
Yeah.
part of a family, and but it never really hits him that okay, there's something missing, maybe because I've not let him feel that
Yeah.
void. That's one thing. But I think when he's 4 or 5, the friends will nudge him.
Yes, of course.
And then I will obviously tell him the truth that, you know, this is a different family and I wanted to have you because I love you, and it's as complete as it can get. There's no difference, just the fact that we don't have, there's no mom here. But I've given you the love that a mom and I hopefully have given you the love जो एक माँ दे सकती थी या फिर एक माँ और बाप दोनों दे सकते थे. We'll cross the bridge when we come to it.
I think it's absolutely amazing. You are so brave, and the fact that I'm so happy that, you know, I'm part of this world of yours, this decision
I'm
that
so
you
happy
made.
that we happen to have kids at
I
the
know
same
at the same
year.
time, and
Yeah.
I would be happy to say it, you know, aloud, that I'm so happy and proud that Taimur has a friend in Laksh, just like you and me have. And you know, single parent or not, you are an absolutely fantastic human being, and Laksh has a fabulous father. So thank you so much for coming on my radio show, Tushar.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Hi guys, hope you're liking my show. अगर आपको मुझसे कोई बात बोलनी हो तो प्लीज कमेंट बिलो.